years ago, I had mitral valve leakage.
She would be short of breath sometimes or heart fluttering and that.
In February 2025, Jan Spring brought his wife Sandy to St. Peter's Hospital for surgery to fix her mitral valve prolapse. He watched as his 8th grade sweetheart and wife of 52 years walked down the hospital hallway.
She stopped and turned around and gave me another kiss. And then she disappeared behind the door.
What began as a routine heart procedure quickly became a fight for Sandy's life.
At 1:23, my phone went off. And it was someone from St. Peter's Hospital that said that Sandy had a situation. We don't know if she's going to make it the morning.
Nurses and doctors fought to save Sandy, each playing a critical role, including one physician assistant who literally kept Sandy's heart beating.
She says, I opened up your wife's chest, placed her heart in my hand, and massaged it for 20 minutes or more so they can put life support on her. They had a ECMO, an Impella, and she was on a ventilator. She was so wrapped up, you couldn't recognize my wife, Sandy.
Hour by hour, day by day, Sandy began to improve.
I talked to her every day. Told her I was there, told her that she's getting great care, and, we'll fight for you. Keep fighting, Sandy.
Sandy suffered small strokes during her stay.
I don't remember going to the doctor or the hospital or anything.
Over days, machines came off, sedation eased. Sandy's heart had been repaired, her life saved. The focus now is on her recovery.
She does everything for me.
I tried to maintain everything for her, showers, I get her dressed. I'm not the greatest housekeeper, but I do laundry.
As Sandy continues to get stronger day by day, both she and Jan remain grateful. Grateful for one another, for their family, for their friends and community, and for the caring team at St. Peter's Hospital.
What a dedicated staff down there. Their commitment and time to the people that's there. I mean, a lot of these people are strangers to them. And, they never left my wife's side.
Just thank you. I appreciate it.